This is so cool. The skink. He's trying to bite me. Hold on. I'll get control of him. This is a really cool find. Here he is. Beautiful skink. That big. Awesome. Let's see what else we can find. We just caught another one, and this time it's huge. Look at that. Look at that. He really wants to bite me, which I didn't think the skink would want to bite me. But it's beautiful. Apparently, I have to go real quick. Here is a toad. Awesome. Here's a coal skink here for the one I have as pet. Make sure you guys like this video, comment, and share, and subscribe.